the Eisenhower Library that is being renovated. We are really starting to think about a countdown to the opening. We have one of the beams that will go over the entryway in through the beach entrance. All the students are signing it and picking up pins that indicate their favorite level.
We love our different levels.
I did A level when I wanted to study.
But if you really want to focus and you go all the way down deep into the basement.
D level is a good example of how this really has been a true gut rehab. We were down to rubble and dirt on D level. We had to do work under the building, the HVAC systems that run our heating and our cooling, the lighting, the electrical. The building really needed a complete overhaul. Now we're starting to see walls go back in and starting to actually be able to visualize what will be happening in this new library.
I think all of the students here, myself included, are really excited to see the space return in its new modern form.
Did you hear that there's going to be a skylight?
No, I didn't know about that.
That skylight will bring light all the way down to D level and will also contain a beautiful new staircase. It's going to be one of the signature new aspects of this new building.
I like it.
They are so eager for the new library to open up.
All of the students who are passing through this very busy area are coming in and writing their names down, and this is going to be part of the building for as long as it's standing, and it's a way to really connect yourself to the history that's happening.
And I'm going to